Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa is preparing for a crucial Southern African Development Community, or SADC, summit. Taking place against a backdrop of political tension, the summit represents a high-stakes gamble for Mnangagwa. He seeks to bolster his legitimacy on a regional stage following a controversial election victory. The SADC summit is not merely a regional gathering, it's a platform for Mnangagwa to project an image of stability and garner support from neighboring countries. His strategy hinges on leveraging the summit to demonstrate regional acceptance of his leadership. This approach aims to counter international criticism and portray Zimbabwe as a nation moving forward. The stakes are undeniably high. A successful summit could bolster Mnangagwa's standing both domestically and internationally. Conversely, a lukewarm reception from SADC leaders could further isolate Zimbabwe, exacerbating its economic and political challenges. The SADC summit therefore presents a critical opportunity for Mnangagwa to engage with regional leaders and attempt to reshape the narrative surrounding his presidency. His quest for legitimacy hinges on convincing his SADC counterparts that Zimbabwe, under his leadership, is a reliable and stable partner. The summit will be closely watched by international observers, eager to gauge the region's stance on Zimbabwe's political trajectory. The outcome of the summit will have profound implications for Zimbabwe's future. A strong endorsement from SADC could pave the way for greater international re-engagement and unlock much-needed economic assistance. However, a failure to secure regional backing could further entrench Zimbabwe's isolation, hindering its prospects for recovery and growth.